Hey guys, how is it going? Welcome back to the 16th tutorial of my introduction to JavaScript series. For inside this tutorial, we're going to discuss map. But before we continue, I go quickly use this opportunity to tell you, say, if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly use this time to do so because your subscription are waiting, they give me ginger and motivation to always make videos like this. So let's get started. Wetin be map? Map na example of data structure where they always hold key and value pair information. So wetin come be data structure? I agree say we never discuss wetin be data structure for inside this YouTube channel, but no just worry yourself too much. As you know me say, me I dey always like to dey use reality take explain complicated and technical information. So wetin you fit imagine map to be na your phone book. You know say for your phone book like this, you get name and you get number wey be say the name of somebody go come dey directed to the number of that person. So in that instance now, the name of that person na the key and the value of the key na the phone number. So map dey hold key value pair information. Na exactly wetin map just be that. Say sometimes we fit just wan store information for inside computer program wey be say we go need access that information using the key value. If this explanation no still make complete sense to you, no just worry yourself too much. Before the end of this tutorial, if you come practicalize wetin map be now, e go come make total and complete sense to you. So let's just get started to practicalize wetin I dey do. But before we get started now, if you look at the right hand side of my screen now, you can't get different methods wey we fit perform on top our map. Shey you get? We fit set map, so we fit set information there, we fit get information, we fit get the size of the map, we fit delete information from inside our map, and we fit come check whether e has a particular value or not. Shey you get? So overall now, map na like container wey dey contain key and value information. So we go just practicalize wetin that one be now in just few seconds. So to practicalize wetin map be, you go just come here say okay, const, then I go give am name. Because say na phone book we dey use dey do example for inside this tutorial, I go just declare the name of my map to be phone book. So I go just talk say phone book, right? Then I go just say equal to new map. There you get. Then I go open and close these parentheses. Now you go remember say if you wan store multiple information for inside JavaScript, we dey always dey use our angle bracket. Shey you get? So now wetin I go just do is I go just open and close my angle bracket, come declare list of information wey go dey inside our map. Shey you get? And for inside our map also, we fit declare our map to be a static information or a dynamic information. The one wey I go just do now na static information, the one wey go contain value as we dey declare our new map. Shey you get? So as I don open and close this my angle bracket wey dey inside my open and close parentheses, now I go just click enter here. Shey you get? Now because say we dey declare our phone book, right? Make I just enter this one so that you go see exactly wetin I dey do. Because in our phone book we dey use do example now, and you know say phone book wey be your contact on top your phone, e go get name of somebody and e go get the number of that person, right? This information wey I just talk now, if you check am well, these two information, both key and value, themselves be like list because e don pass one. Shey you get? Then I go just talk say okay, I wan declare that one sef inside im own list. Then I go open and close another angle bracket here. Shey you get? Then I go just talk say okay, the first information wey go dey inside this angle bracket na the name of the person. For example, now I go just talk say okay, Bioku. So as I talk say Bioku now, then I go come here. Then I go just talk say okay, comma. Then I go put the phone number wey Bioku get. Shey you get? Then I go just talk say okay, Bioku get 1 2 3 4 5 as the phone number. Shey you get? So this information wey dey here like this first one na the first contact, na the first information wey dey inside my phone book, right? Because say na the first information wey dey inside my phone book wey contain Bioku and the number, right? If I wan declare anything now, then I go comot from inside this first angle bracket. As I comot am now, I go just put comma here, come back here again. Then I go declare another open and close angle bracket. Then I go call this one say the name of this person go be Demola. Then I go just talk say okay, the phone number wey Demola get na 2 4 5 6 and is 0. Shey you get? Then I go come here again, put comma, then put another person's name here. Say make I just put one arbitrary name here. Talk say okay, John Johnson. Shey you get? Okay, I talk say John. No really matter. So Johnson now I go just talk say okay, Johnson come get 66550 for Johnson phone number. So as I don declare this information like this, you sef you go see say okay, this information wey dey inside our phone book like this, right? Na like list of phone numbers wey dey inside our phone. Shey you get? Because say if I wan look for Bioku now inside my phone book, I go just know say okay, Bioku here e get this phone number, Demola here get this phone number, and Johnson here get this phone number. Shey you get? So if I come here like this, talk say okay, if I wan come display these phone numbers wey these three people get now to our console, I fit just talk say okay, console.log dot log, then I go talk say okay, make e log phone book inside my console. Phone book, then I go come here, close this program, then come press Ctrl B. Oops, map is not defined. Okay, map here go just be capital letter. So I go just talk say Ctrl B again. Now you see say e don give us this information wey dey here like this, right? Say Bioku e come dey mapped to 1234. Demola come dey mapped to 24560. I hope say you understand the explanation wey I take explain wetin map be for inside this tutorial. So if you come to this right hand side like this, na different operation wey we fit perform on top our map na im dey this right hand side so. And you sef you go agree with me say for inside your phone book you fit perform different operations sef. Say you fit delete person number, you fit add new number, you fit search for person number on top your phone. So all this activity wey you dey do inside your phone book so na wetin dem dey call method. So wetin I go just do now be say I go just use this set method now take add new number to your phone book. So now I go just talk say okay, phone book dot set. So the way map take dey work na say you dey add key and value pair information inside map, shey you get. So if you wan set in another value, say we wan add in another information to our phone book, that information wey we gats add inside our phone book gats contain name and phone number. So the new information wey I go just add inside this phone book now na Gabriel. So I go just talk say okay, Gabriel now, Biel. Then I go come here, come put comma here, come put Gabriel's phone number, right? Then I go talk say okay, Gabriel get 0101, oops, 123 123. Shey you get. So I go just come here, end this program now. Now, if I wan come print out all the information wey dey inside my phone book now, we suppose see this Gabriel now, because say Gabriel na the new contact wey I just add inside my phone book. Shey you get. So I go just press Ctrl B now. You see say now our map don dey increased. Shey you get. Now we get Bioku, we get Demola, we get Johnson, and we get Gabriel. So if you dey watch this tutorial now and at some point in your career you go like build a phone book app, you go know say map na one data structure, or map na one container wey you no go use joke at all for inside your career. Shey you get. So make we just move on. The next one wey we go just discuss now na get. Now the way get take dey work be say get dey work very similar to say you dey search for phone number inside your phone book, right? So get go return the value of any key wey you give am. Shey you get. So for example now I wan search for Bioku number, right? I know say Bioku na contact wey dey inside my phone book, right? But I dey look for that person number, right? So I go just type Bioku and my phone go come search inside my phone book, come return Bioku phone number to me. So na get operation we dey use dey perform that kind thing. Shey you get. Say e go return the value of the key wey you give am. So make I just do the practicalization of this one. So I go just talk say okay, phone book dot get, right? And because say I wan get the value of Bioku, right, I go just talk say here, I go put Bioku here. Shey you get. So if I run this program, before I run am, make I just close this program. So if I run this program now, Ctrl B, oops, e no print out our information. We dey expect say we go get the value of Bioku here, right? So wetin dey happen exactly here be say we dey log out this phone book, right? And the information wey dey inside our phone book na everything wey dey here wey be Bioku, Demola, and Johnson, right? So we just dey perform this get operation, right? We no dey print am to our phone book. You know say when we do get, I tell you say get go return the value of the key, because a Bioku na key now, the value na 12345. So when we perform the operation get, we dey look for the phone number wey dey attached to this Bioku name, right? And you know say that one go give us a particular value. So we wan store that value wey go give us inside the own variable, so that we go fit print the variable out into our console, right? So wetin I go just do now be say I go just talk say okay, let search, because say we dey search for value, right, be equal to this phone book dot get. So wetin I go just do now be say instead of printing this phone book, I go just print this search, Ctrl C here, come press Ctrl V here. So if I press Ctrl B now, you go see say we don get 1 2 3 4 5 out inside our console. So if I search for Bioku, right, you go give me this phone number wey dey here. So na like this your phone book app take dey work. Shey you get. So na like this you fit just perform the operation like that. So wetin I go just do be say I go just copy this console now, Ctrl C, come print out the original information wey dey inside our phone book, wey be our phone book itself. So I go just come here, talk say Ctrl V. So if I run this program now, you see say we dey get 1 2 3 4 5 here, right, wey be wetin dey return from this line 10 code, right? So we dey print out the value wey dey inside bioku, then we dey run this line 11 also, wey be the whole information wey dey inside our phone book. So the next one wey we go just do now na this size method wey dey here. So if I wan get the total number of the contact wey dey inside my phone book, right, I go just use this size method wey dey here like this. So to do our size now, I go just come here, clear this one comot, then I go just talk say okay, phone book dot size, shey you get. Then I go just run this program, right? And you go see now here say we dey print out the size of our phone book, right? They give us 4 here because all the information wey dey inside our phone book, right, now because say all the contact wey dey inside our phone book now na 4. Now when we declare our phone book, we get 3 contact here: bioku, demola and johnson, and we use this set operation take set another contact inside our phone book wey be gabriel. So if you count that one together, we go get 4 here, shey you get. So the next operation wey we wan do now na delete. Say for example, you no need person number again for inside your phone book, so you go just delete the person comot for inside your phone, shey you get. So to take do that one now, we go just talk say okay, instead of this search, I go just talk say okay, I wan delete person comot for inside my phone book. I go just come here like this, talk say okay, come here, then I go talk say phone book dot delete, shey you get. Then I go talk say okay, who I wan delete, make I just delete this johnson comot for inside my phone book. I go just talk say johnson. So as I put the person name like this, make I just close this program. So as I put this person name here like this, right, I go just press Ctrl B. Then you go see say you don delete johnson from inside my phone book, shey you get. I dey print my phone book now, but we no dey see johnson here again. We dey see bioku wey get this number, demola wey get this number, and this gabriel wey we add, we still dey see am inside our phone book, but we no dey see that johnson again, shey you get. And if I wan print size now, say I wan do size, take get the total number of information wey dey inside my phone book now, I go just talk say okay, make I console.log, right? As I console.log now, I go just talk say phone book dot size, right? So if I come here, close this program now, come press Ctrl B, you go see say now e don give us 3. We get 3 information when we declare our map. We come add another contact wey be gabriel's contact using this set method. But when we come here into our line 9, we come delete johnson comot. So overall, our phone book don return to 3. So when I print out the size, e give us 3 here. I come dey print out the whole contact wey dey inside our phone book now, then e dey give us bioku, demola and gabriel, shey you get. We don delete johnson comot. So the last one wey I go just quickly discuss na this hash. So this hash, wetin this hash dey do for us be say we wan check whether so number dey inside our phone book. Say for example now, we don save this bioku contact inside our phone book, but we don come forget whether or not bioku dey inside our phone book. So we wan come check whether e dey there. If this bioku dey inside, so if bioku phone number dey inside our phone book, then e go return true. But if bioku phone number no dey inside our phone book, then e go return false, shey you get. So wetin I go just use do that one na this hash method wey dey here. Then wetin I go just do now be say I go just come here, just after I dey delete this johnson, right, I go just talk say okay, phone book dot hash, then I go put bioku here, right. Then I go come here, come print, come end this program. So if I press Ctrl B now, oops, e no dey give us the information out for our console. Wetin dey happen? So wetin dey happen here exactly be say even though say this program dey work, but we no dey get the output. So we no dey get any return from this line 10. So we no know whether this line 10 dey work or whether e no dey work. A good way to debug am be say make we put this operation inside the own variable, come print out the variable for us, right? So I go just talk say okay, is available. Then I go talk say okay, let is available, or instead of is available, I will just talk say is present, right, is equal to this phone book dot hash. So wetin I go just do now be say I go just print out this is present variable. Then I go just talk say console dot log, and I go print out this is present, right. Come here, enter this program, come press Ctrl B. Now you see say e dey tell me say true here, right, because say bioku is present inside our phone book. Now make I just check whether this johnson dey inside our phone book. You know say for inside this line now, we dey delete the phone number of johnson comot for inside our phone book. So we wan come check whether johnson still dey inside our phone book. Then I go just put johnson here, say let is present is equal to phone book dot hash johnson. then I go just press Ctrl B here. Now you see say e dey return false for us. Why? Because say we don delete Johnson phone number comot for inside our phone book, and that one we dey do am in this line 9 operation. So as be say we don discuss map and different operation wey we fit perform on top map for inside this tutorial. So na so e go be for inside this tutorial. I go see you for the next tutorial.